welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Lamborghini Huracan model. It's a very, very nice car and I really like it. I got this at Walgreens, so yeah, and it's a pullback car, I believe. So you can do this. Oh, it doesn't work on my bed. I'll show you in a second though. Okay, so hey guys, I'm back, and now I'll be showing you how the pullback works. Pull it back, and then it releases. So, yeah, that's it. And then it also is a very nice car, just like the Lamborghini Hypersport, but it's not from Fast and Furious. It's a very nice car. It has that little open part so you can kind of see the motor and engine and stuff. It's just a very, very nice car, and it's a Lamborghini, so yeah. It has a stripe on the top. The doors just open up as normal doors, unlike the Lycan, which the Lycan's doors open up backwards and upward, but these just open up normally. So yeah, that's the car. It's silver, gray and orange, silver and orange, same thing. You can see a little motor, engine, some tail lights. It's a really nice car to look at from the front. It's really cool for a wallpaper too. So yeah, that was the car, and bye.